myself Dr. Santosh Kumar. Now I am going to explain the second part of the metrology and instrumentation. In the introduction section is a standard of measurements. What are the standard of measurements which can be explained in this session? Introduction. Today, almost all manufacturing unit practices the principle of interchangeability of the manufacturer. Principle of interchangeability means that when any parts of the component or instrument, if you want to change, then you can choose any one from the bulk at random and you can change it. It is known as the interchangeability. In order to accomplish complete interchangeability of the manufacturer, in industry it is essential to have a measurement system. Without measuring, you cannot use any parts. Interchangeability can refer to interchangeable parts, the ability to select components for assembly at random and fit them together within proper tolerance. For the standard of measurement, there are international and national organizations. The National Physical Laboratory (NPL) was established in UK in 1900, and it is a public institution for standardizing and verifying instruments, testing of materials and determining physical constant. And in India, there are National Physical Laboratory of India (NPLI), which is established in 1947 in New Delhi under the Council of Scientific and Industrial Research (CSIR). And what are the roles of the NPLI? First one is to reinforce and carry out research and development activities in the area of physical science and key physics-based technologies. And it also maintaining national standard and ensuring that they conform to international standard. And it also support industries, it may be national or private, in their research and development activities by carrying out calibration and testing, precision measurement and development of processes and devices. And it also ascertain that the national standard of measurements are traceable to the international standards. It has also responsibility of assisting in research and development activities in the field of material development, radio and atmospheric sciences, superconductivity and cryogenic etc. What are the material standards? There are two standard systems for linear measurement that have been accepted and adopted worldwide are English and metric, art and meter system. What is art? Art or meter is defined as the distance between two ascribed lines on a bar of the metal maintained under certain condition of temperature and support. The imperial standard art is a bronze bar of 1 square inch cross section and 38 inches in length, having a composition of 82% copper, 13% tin and 5% zinc. That means art is a standard bronze bar which has the composition of 82% copper, 13% tin and 5% zinc. And the length of this bar is 38 inches. And what is meter? It is also known as International Prototype Meter, which was established in 1875, and it is defined as the distance between the center positions of the two lines engraved on the highly polished surface of 102 centimeter bar of pure platinum iridium alloy. That means platinum is 10%, 90% and 10% is iridium, maintained at 0 degree Celsius under normal atmospheric pressure and having the cross section. And one another standard which is used in the measurement system are wavelength standard. In the 11th General Conference of Weights and Measures which is held in Paris in 1960, recommended a new standard of length known as wavelength standard. According to this standard, meter is defined as the 1650763.73 into wavelength of red-orange radiation of the krypton 86 atom in vacuum. But what are the disadvantages of materials standard? The disadvantages are material standard are affected by the changing in environment conditions such as temperature, pressure, humidity, aging, resulting in variations in length. That means it also a standard samples it also depends on the temperature, pressure, humidity, etc. And prevention of these standards is difficult because they must have appropriate security to prevent their damages or destruction. Replicas of material standard are not available, so for the use of other places, and they cannot easily reproduce. And comparison and verification of the sizes of gauges pose considerable difficulty. While changing the metric system, a conversion factor is necessary in the material standard. And classification of a standard. There are three types of a standard. First one is primary standard, second one is secondary standard, and third one is tertiary standard. What is primary standard? For defining the unit precisely, there shall be one and only one material standard, and it is preserved carefully and maintained under a standard atmospheric conditions so that they do not change their value, and it had no direct application to measure the problem encountered in the engineering, and it is used only for comparing with secondary standard. Example of primary standard is international art and international meter are the example of standard units of length. Secondary standard, it is derived from the primary standard and resembles closely with respect to design, material and length. Any error in the existing in this bar is recorded by the comparison with primary standard after long intervals, and it is kept at different locations under a strict supervision, and it is used for comparison with tertiary standard, which is only when it is absolutely essential, and secondary standards are safeguard against the loss or destruction of primary standard. What are the tertiary standard? Primary and secondary standard are the ultimate controls for a standard, and it is used for reference purpose and that too at rare intervals. Tertiary standard are reference standard employed by NPL, National Physical Laboratory, and it is used as the first and standard for reference in laboratories and workshops. These standards are replicas of secondary standard and it is used to reference for working standard. What is working standard? It is used for more frequently in workshop and laboratory. The material used to make these standards are of a lower grade and cost, derived from the fundamental standard, and it suffers from loss of instrumental accuracy due to subsequent comparison to each level in the hierarchical chain. Working standard including both line and end standard. In next class, I will discuss about the line standard and end standard, that means linear measurement and angular measurement systems.